Okay. So, the first word is mahal.
Mahal. Mahal.
Okay.
I know.
Okay.
It's mean love.
Okay. Sino ang mahal niyo? They love you daw. They said they love you.
Oh,
And
mahal
that's
ko
the
kayo.
correct answer. Ang galing, mahal ko kayo. Alam niya. Next Filipino phrase. Kailangan kita. So is it go away or I need you?
Ayun ang kailangan.
Ano ang coaching? Para fun.
ก็ฟันเดาแล้วกันครับ
Go away?
B I need you
I need you. Can you read it again?
คีลากัน
Kailangan kita.
Kailangan kita.
Yeah! Kailangan kita means
I need you.
I need you. That is correct. So when you talk to your fans and Filipino fans, you can say kailangan kita.
Kailangan kita.
Yeah. Grabe tong third ha, grabe tong third. Next phrase. Aangaan kita. So is it A, help me, or B, I will take care of you?
B
I will take care
of you.
Okay, can you read it once again for the Filipino fans? Lumabas na agad yung sagot. Aalagaan kita.
Aalagaan kita.
That's correct. That means I will take care of you.
Okay.
Alright.
Aalagaan kita.
And our fourth phrase is
ikaw lang sapat na. Ikaw lang sapat na.
Perfect. So is it A, leave me alone, or you are enough?
ค่ะจะแปลว่าปล่อยฉันไว้คนเดียวเถอะหรือว่าจะแปลว่าแค่เธอก็พอแล้ว
คิดว่า B ครับ maybe I think B
B.
you are enough
You are enough. You are enough, is it correct? Yes! Can you say it once again?
ikaw lang sapat na.
Perfect! Dapat na record niya. Dapat gawin yung ringtone. Ayan. Panggising sa umaga. Next phrase.
Ako.
Is it A, I like you? Or B, I'm only yours? Oh, this is quite hard.
Bครับ B
Huh?
B
Are you sure?
I'm sure
Okay.
Sayo lang ako.
Sakin ka lang!
Nakaka-stress to guys. Medyo stressful lang sa harap ko sabihin niya yan ha. Is it correct?
Yes.
Yeah!